Japanese dietitian recipe I wish I knew sooner. It only takes 7 minutes to cook in the microwave. Put half head of lettuce into a bowl. Cut 1 pack of enoki mushroom. Next, put your meat of choice. I put 1 pack for this. Season with salt and pepper. Drizzle some sake, then wrap. Cook in the microwave 600 watts for 7 minutes. I am really happy to learn Japanese-style cooking. They are practically effortless yet mindful of their diet and health. It is super easy to make, yet the dishes are surprisingly deliciously filling. I can never go back to normal cooking. Imagine no chopping, less heat from the stove, less dishes, and less time in the kitchen. But you are eating nutritious food! And I'll share it with you besties. So wait and see our next meal. Follow for more Japanese healthy yet effortless meals.
Okay, besties, let's make dinner in 10 minutes. This is so easy to make, just follow the steps.
Cut the eggplant vertically until it is as close to the edge. Stuff the strip meat of choice in the middle. Do not overstuff. Season with salt, garlic, and pepper. Cover with plastic wrap. Then in the microwave for 5 minutes in 600 watts. Now let's make the sauce. 3 tablespoons of ponzu. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Half teaspoon of garlic paste. Half teaspoon of ginger paste. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce.
Okay, besties, stop right there. You have to cut the eggplants before you put the sauce. As you can see, it's very difficult to cut the eggplants, so you have to put it in a plate and then cut and then put the sauce. And we are done. That's 10 minutes and you have your dinner ready to serve. See you in our next meal.
Don't eat this if you don't want to lose weight, the Japanese dietitian said. This is a healthy gratin meal made from tofu and is 1/3 less calorie than the normal gratin meal. Thanks to the tofu, which is low in calorie and is packed with various vitamins and minerals, and of course, excellent source of protein. You just need to mix all the ingredients into a container, then microwave. So anybody can do it, anytime you want. It's super easy to make but not lacking in taste, texture, and health benefits. Save this for your next meal and tell me if you like it. Follow for more Japanese practically healthy and easy meals.
We have been seeing this new trend on TikTok, so we have to try too. Chop into small pieces, or use a veggie cutter. Into the ground meat of choice. Add green onion. And seasonings. Kumut-kumuta mga bes. Kinsay kabalo unsay English ana be. I comment palihog. Himo ang square ang tortilla bes. Punatong giniling mixture. Cut na dayon pag mapatong na 5 layers. Patuwad man daw ingon sa giawatan awat pudta. Ay sus, kadaghan ba arte ani bes? Putlon na po dayon humantusok. Pritohon na dayon bes ha. Hinaya lang kalayo para di masunog ha. Pahiri na imang laway da bes. Katulo na. Oh, tanawa na sunog na lagi bes uy. Oh, patilaw ta ni kay Uncle Bay. 3 matestingan og ni success ta mga bes. Murag na ulaw ingon tinuod si Uncle Bes.